Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring 14 genius Amazon home organization gadgets that will declutter your space effortlessly. From smart storage to space-saving solutions, you're going to love these. As usual, links to all these products in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This wrap dispenser is the ultimate solution for organizing and dispensing kitchen wraps with ease. Designed to hold and neatly cut plastic wrap, aluminum foil, wax paper, and more, this dispenser keeps your kitchen drawers tidy and clutter-free. Its smooth gliding cutter ensures a precise, effortless tear every time, while the adjustable roll holder accommodates various wrap sizes. With a sleek and durable design, this wrap dispenser makes food storage and meal prep more convenient than ever. This roll-out caddy storage is the ultimate solution for organizing your home effortlessly. Designed with smooth gliding wheels, it rolls in and out easily, giving you quick access to cleaning supplies, pantry items, or bathroom essentials. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the adjustable dividers help keep everything neatly in place. Whether it's under the sink, in cabinets, or on shelves, this space-saving bin maximizes storage efficiency. This magnetic stove shelf is the perfect solution for maximizing kitchen space while keeping essentials within reach. Designed with a sleek stainless steel finish, it seamlessly blends with modern kitchen aesthetics, adding both functionality and style. The strong built-in magnets ensure a secure and stable attachment to your stove, requiring no drilling or installation effort. Ideal for storing spices, oils, and cooking essentials, this durable shelf is heat-resistant and easy to clean. Upgrade your kitchen organization effortlessly with this magnetic stove shelf. This double laundry hamper is designed to keep your laundry organized with ease. Featuring a removable laundry bag and a secure lid, it offers a convenient way to separate lights and darks or different types of laundry. The spacious dual compartments maximize storage capacity, while the sturdy construction ensures durability for everyday use. With easy-to-carry handles, moving laundry has never been simpler. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, this stylish and functional hamper helps maintain a neat and clutter-free space. This vacuum storage bag set is designed to maximize storage space while keeping your items fresh and protected. Made from high-quality, durable material, these bags provide an airtight seal to safeguard your clothes, bedding, and more from moisture, dust, and odors. The easy-to-use vacuum seal technology ensures efficient compression, reducing bulk by up to 80%, perfect for travel, seasonal storage, and organizing your home. Compatible with any standard vacuum cleaner, these space-saving bags offer a reliable and convenient solution to declutter and optimize your storage needs. This countertop spice rack is the perfect addition to any kitchen, combining style, convenience, and functionality. Designed with a sleek, space-saving revolving feature, this spice rack allows you to access your favorite seasonings effortlessly. This set includes 20 pre-filled glass spice jars, each labeled for easy identification. The airtight lids help preserve the freshness and flavor of your spices, ensuring long-lasting use. The modern stainless steel design complements any kitchen decor, making it both a practical and stylish choice. This door organizer storage is the perfect solution for maximizing space and keeping your home clutter-free. Designed with 6 spacious pockets per organizer, it provides ample storage for household essentials, including toiletries, toys, pantry items, and more. The transparent mesh windows allow for easy visibility, so you can quickly find what you need. Built with durable, non-woven fabric and reinforced stitching, this organizer ensures long-lasting use. Its sturdy metal hooks fit most doors, making installation effortless, no tools required. Ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, nurseries, and closets, this space-saving organizer helps you keep everything neatly arranged and easily accessible. This plant water catcher tray is the perfect solution to keep your floors and furniture safe from water damage. Designed to catch excess water and soil runoff, these durable and sturdy plant saucers provide reliable protection while enhancing the look of your indoor garden. Made from high-quality materials, they are built to last and complement any plant pot effortlessly. Whether you have small houseplants or large potted greens, these saucers ensure a mess-free and hassle-free plant care experience. This couch console holder is the ultimate sofa companion, designed for those who love convenience while relaxing. Featuring a self-balancing cup holder, it keeps your drinks stable, preventing spills on your couch. The modular design allows you to organize snacks, remotes, and gadgets with ease. The built-in storage ensures everything you need is within arm's reach, while the anti-slip base keeps it securely in place. Whether you're watching TV, gaming, or working from the sofa, this armrest caddy enhances comfort and organization, making your lounging experience effortless. This shoe storage cabinet is the perfect solution for keeping your footwear organized while saving space. Designed with a sleek and modern aesthetic, this cabinet features 3 spacious flip drawers that can accommodate multiple pairs of shoes, making it ideal for entryways, hallways, or bedrooms. The flip drawer design allows easy access to your shoes while keeping them neatly tucked away, reducing clutter and maintaining a tidy living space. Whether you're looking to declutter your space or add a touch of sophistication to your home, this shoe storage is a must-have addition to your furniture collection. This herb keeper is designed to keep your fresh herbs vibrant and flavorful for longer. Featuring a clear, BPA-free plastic container, this herb keeper provides optimal hydration while preventing excess moisture buildup. The adjustable air vents help maintain the perfect humidity level, keeping herbs like cilantro, parsley, and rosemary fresh for weeks. Its compact design fits easily in most refrigerator doors, making storage convenient and hassle-free. This charging station is the perfect solution to keep all your gadgets powered up and organized. Designed for convenience, it features multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices simultaneously. The compact and clutter-free design eliminates messy cables, while built-in smart charging technology ensures fast and safe charging for each device. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, this charging station is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their charging setup. This towel hook holder is the perfect solution for keeping your towels, dishcloths, and hand towels securely in place without the need for drilling or hardware. Designed with a strong adhesive backing, it easily sticks to smooth surfaces like tile, glass, and metal, making installation quick and hassle-free. Simply press your towel into the soft grip slot for a firm hold and effortless release. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, this space-saving hook adds convenience and organization to any home. This hair dryer holder features precisely sized compartments to securely accommodate your Dyson Airwrap, wands, barrels, brushes, nozzles, diffuser, and power plug, ensuring everything stays in place. With both screw and nail-free adhesive mounting options, installation is quick, secure, and hassle-free, allowing you to maximize storage space without damaging your walls. This desk seamlessly combines a vanity, nightstand, and chair into one compact unit, making it ideal for small bedrooms or tight spaces. Equipped with a flip-top jewelry organizer, a hidden compartment for tall skincare bottles, a spacious drawer, and a plush cushioned bench with additional storage, this vanity offers plenty of room to keep your makeup, jewelry, and skincare products neatly organized. The glass desktop provides a clear view of your cosmetics, allowing you to find what you need at a glance, while the side hooks conveniently hold clothes or bags. With a comfortable cushioned seat that tucks neatly under the table, this multifunctional vanity maximizes storage without sacrificing style, making it a perfect addition to any modern space. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.